Okay, so even though the weather is getting a little bit chillier now, sometimes you still just need a nice, cool, refreshing drink, whether that's because you've been out somewhere with the family, you know, you've been to the gym, whatever it is. And these jugs are perfect. They come in a pack of 2, which is really handy. As you can see, I've kind of got mine with summer fruits and orange, but obviously you can put whatever you want in there. I would say if you're going to put milk in there, I'd use a label maker or something just to write maybe on the top of the lid the date, just so you can keep an eye on that. But for juices and things on water, it's absolutely perfect. They're really, really nice. You know, especially if you're big on organising and, you know, you watch those TikToks that have those aesthetic looking fridges and that's what you're kind of going for. They're really nice for that as well. Dead easy to pour from. The lid literally just comes out nice and simple. Back in, making sure you've got the bit open here to make sure that obviously you can pour it out. But really lovely set of jugs.